just before we start the video, make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel so you don't, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any content that didn't go as good as it did in my head. Well, anyways, guys, we are going to make my own FPS, because I just watched Stickmaster Luke's aka Roblox's one, which was super good, super good. You know, the Ola in the background, the chair squeaking, they helped me out a lot. So today, I'm going to be doing what I wanted to do. It's make first-person shooter. So we gotta make a map, which I'm gonna do it the fast way. Don't actually do this unless you wanna make a not really good game. Just make a map. Here's a good one. Okay. Actually, maybe I should hold on. Yeah, I'm pausing it. So yeah, that basically ruined my game. So let's just do the D-Dust map. Alright, well, now we got the D-Dust map, so let's go ahead and oh, this is a huge map. So I am professional on Roblox Studio because I do a lot of tutorials. So I know what you gotta do. Okay, this is just complicated. So what you wanna do is you wanna go on to and then go into teams, insert. There we go. Now we gotta get our teams. Undo. I'm just gonna do blue and red. I'm not going like multiple teams, like Arsenal. Arsenal has multiple teams. Okay, I can't scroll down for all the way for some reason. Scroll down. Yeah, it just goes on crack right there. There we go. And then we just want to duplicate that team. Hold on. I just want to duplicate that team. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so that took longer than I expected. I just did 2 because it would take super long if I did multiple in one, and also it would just be longer. I'm just doing this for the video, guys. I'm doing this for the video. I'll link the game in the description. It's gonna be edited, okay, guys? It's gonna be edited. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, so now we gotta get the guns. So let's start off from the basics and get the hiss. Okay, I think I found one. Yes. Okay, well, let me edit this Glock and you'll see what it looks like when we're playing the game. Just while I was doing this video, something happened and I forgot to put this in R6. And yeah, if you don't put it in R6, you have no gun, so let me just fix that. Yeah, you gotta publish the game. So but you can make it private, okay? Make it private. Alright, now it's time to test. See you guys there. Yes, the correct color. So, oh Jesus, it's loud. I'm sorry to headphone users, but it's the correct color, bruh. And also we're on blue team and we're holding a purple gun, but yeah, I just gotta get this out of here. it's gonna be locked first person, so it's gonna be hard to record. I'm just not gonna do it in the video, because it's gonna be hard to pause the video and stuff. So next weapon, okay, so a lot of these are ground snipers. We just shoot them from the ground, but I think this is the one. Yeah, this is definitely, yeah, one start pack. Alright, we got our sniper. What happened to my character is now weird. Okay, hopefully there's a mirror in this map to see what I actually look like, but it works. Okay, so we're good, guys. We're good. Now let's get out of here. Skedaddle, guys. Skedaddle. So, I'm about to complete the game. That was just a little bit of some early access. So I'll see you there. This is gonna take a long time for me, but for you, it's just gonna be right now. I love this theme song so much, Bernard. Oh, wait, I forgot. Oh, there's two playing now. I love all the GTA games. Oh, frick! They're playing at the same time. Is there two of them? What is happening? Oh! If you want a full video of me reacting to all GTA songs, leave like, and I'll definitely do that. I will do that. Because I love GTA. You guys might not know that about me, but I love GTA. And I especially love the GTA theme song. One theme song. Here's the one. I couldn't find it. I just found random music. Well, anyways, here's the game that you all have been waiting for. Let's just play it with GTA 3 music playing. The toolbox isn't showing. Come on, show up. Are you kidding me? This toolbox freaking better show up. Okay. Alright, we're not doing that then. I guess we're not gonna... Oh! Hold on. Also, the game wants you to buy pants, so don't do it. Just cancel it, but it won't come up again. I found the GTA 2 track, so I'll just play it. But anyways, here's the game. Okay, that just keeps on popping up. Hold on. We'll do the one that everyone knows. Oh my freaking god, I hate you so much. I freaking... Alright, I am literally... I have headphones on. That made it a lot worse. Tons worse. Yeah, that just hurt my eardrums. Jesus Christ, why would you do that? Okay, I am taking off my headphones for this. You better not be...
EXEV1.
I hate you. Look what it was. Look what it was. Alright, I can't play GTA theme song, so I'll just do it on my TV, I guess, because the freaking... I hate this so much. That just blew my nose. Alright, so... Oh, crap. So if, you two... If, Roblox won't play it, I'll just play it myself to get all that out of my head. That was just a nice thing. Yes. There's also music, but it's not playing in here. We got a sniper. Got that. that. So, yeah, the game's complete. You enjoy. Also, there's more spawns, and it's going to be locked first person, so, yeah, hopefully you enjoy the game. Link in the description, it's going to be done. But anyways, please subscribe and